First, when using DiagRA, we want to make sure we have the correct diagnostic dataset selected. You can see here that we have the default profile from the Volkswagen Group selected. We're also able to manage this list of diagnostic datasets. We can create new ones and remove existing ones. This diagnostic dataset contains a lot of information ranging from protocol configuration to naming conventions and ECU address spaces. DiagRA supports several different file type imports. We support FlexRay XML configuration files, CAN description files in the form of DBC or UEF files, and ECU description files in the form of A2L and hex files. We mostly recommend to just use ODX or PDX where possible though, as these will very closely coincide with the generated datasets available in the top menu. Next, let's look at these two pull-downs in the top. The first one, on the left side, you'll see we have Scan Tool selected, but you'll also see, depending on which dataset you have selected, either a very large or very small number of values here. In general, you will use this to either select the controller you wish to communicate with, or to select a generic protocol to use, like the Scan Tool. In the other drop-down menu, we're able to select which protocol we'll be using. In this case, we'll leave it just with CAN. Now, we're going to want to select our interface. You can click either here, down at the bottom, where it shows your current interface, or up here at the interface button. You can see all the devices that we have currently installed. You can also check and see if there's any that are disabled manually that you'd like to enable manually. We're just going to go ahead and keep the DiagRA S selected here using pass-through version 4.04. You can see we also have an RP1210 version of that. This is just our simulator, which I'll be using for a demo. And there you go, we got data.